An airline pilot arrested in Kentucky could be in court as early as today in connection with a 2015 triple homicide. Christian Martin was taken into custody just before his flight on Saturday at Louisville International Airport. He faces 9 charges, including 3 counts of murder and 1 count of arson. Kris Van Cleave is at Reagan National Airport just outside Washington with more on this story. Kris, good morning.
Good morning. That mugshot sure is eye-catching. Now think about this. You're at your gate getting ready to board your flight when your pilot is led away in handcuffs, the prime suspect in a 3-year-old murder case. This happened on Saturday as Christian Martin was getting ready to fly a plane load of people from the Louisville airport to North Carolina. That's when the cops swooped in. Christian Martin was still in his pilot uniform when police snapped this booking photo after arresting him for triple murder.
These were 3 individuals that are gone, that are never coming back, and that deserve justice.
Kentucky Attorney General Andy Beshear says in November 2015, Martin allegedly killed Calvin and Pamela Phillips and their neighbor Edward Dansereau. Calvin Phillips was found shot in his Pembroke, Kentucky home. The bodies of his wife and Dansereau were discovered a few miles away in a cornfield inside her burned-out car.
Martin was dishonorably discharged.
In an interview with CNN, Matt Phillips says his father was killed before he could testify in a court-martial trial against Martin.
He was shamefully kicked out of the military. My father had a lot to do with that.
Martin was reportedly a person of interest immediately following the killings, but in a 2016 interview with a local TV station, he denied being involved.
I don't know why anybody would want to do something to them.
Martin was hired as a first officer in 2018 for PSA, a regional carrier owned by American Airlines. In a statement, American says pilots undergo a criminal background check and recurrent vetting for any derogatory information. The statement adds Martin did not have any criminal history that would disqualify him from being a commercial pilot. Now, Martin remains behind bars this morning. It is unclear if he has a lawyer yet, and we were unable to reach Martin. American Airlines has put the 51-year-old pilot on administrative suspension, basically grounding him until his court case is resolved. Norah?
What a story, Kris. Thank you.
Kris painted quite a picture. You're standing there as a passenger, and they're leading your pilot away in handcuffs. You know, this is a big problem.
Big
Shockaroo.
problem. Shockaroo.